What's the meaning of aromatherapy? Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy.
Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is a holistic healing practice that uses essential oils extracted from plants to promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. The oils are typically inhaled or applied topically and are believed to stimulate the limbic system, which is responsible for emotions, memory, and motivation. As a result, aromatherapy can have a wide range of effects, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving sleep, digestion, and immune function. It is often used as a complementary therapy alongside conventional treatments, but it is important to note that it should not be used as a substitute for medical advice.